In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com for embedding code into your Wix website. Whether you're a small business owner, a creative professional, or just someone looking to enhance their site, these steps will help streamline the process while offering you flexibility and customization options. First, let's start by navigating to setup on wix.com. This is where you'll begin the process of making crucial adjustments or adding new features to your site. Once you're logged in, getting to the setup section is an intuitive process thanks to the user-friendly interface that Wix offers. This is your hub for various site management functionalities, so becoming familiar with it will pay off in the long run. Next, you'll want to click on Add Elements. This option is essential as it opens up a myriad of features you can introduce to your site, from images and text to more complex components like embed codes. The Add Elements button is your gateway to a richer, more interactive website, making it a go-to section for any enhancements. Now let's move on to clicking Embed Code. This part of the process is crucial if you're looking to add third-party applications or custom scripts to your site. This functionality broadens the scope of what your website can do, making unique integrations possible that can set your site apart from the competition. Once you've selected Embed Code, it's time to click on Embed HTML. This selection allows you to enter HTML code directly, enabling a wide variety of custom features. Whether it's a specialized widget or a custom-tailored application, embedding HTML lets you expand your site's capabilities significantly. After selecting Embed HTML, direct your attention to Website Address. By clicking this, you open a dialog box where you will input the URL you wish to embed. This method is highly effective for integrating previously existing content or functionalities hosted externally, thus facilitating expanded content offerings without overloading your primary website server. Now it's time to either type in or paste the address of the website or feature you're looking to embed. Make sure the URL is accurate, as any errors here can lead to broken links or features not performing as expected. Accuracy is key to ensure everything functions smoothly once applied. Finally, you're going to click on Apply. This final step is critical as it saves all the adjustments you've made and incorporates the new elements seamlessly into your site. It's always advisable to preview your site afterward to ensure everything is appearing and functioning as planned, giving you peace of mind that your site's enhancement has been successful. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to navigating managedwix.com and editor.wix.com for embedding content onto your Wix website. Following these steps can significantly elevate your site's interactivity and user engagement, all while keeping the process simple and efficient. Happy creating!